the shop I went to buy the equipment for this, that pen, which used to be a good electronic shop, is actually full of people who know nothing on what they're saying, nothing at all. And they're more interested in shoplifting, people shoplifting and stuff like that, money. It's all about money. Money is really, God, I don't buy very much, a bit of a joke, but the people don't like scientists, they're killing scientists. Well, sort of some of that, they're going to die. And it appears the Pope is bringing global civilization by not educating people in science, and that's a problem. And you can't do without it because it's the basis of everything, all the technology, everything, the whole society, the clothes, everything, houses, everything. And there's something in the Bible that says you can do well. So, for instance, civilization will return, but the Pope, whoever's doing it, he teaches for the best, destroy civilization. But I can't do anything, and they're insane. They really are insane. They're killing people, no sense in it. And the machine now didn't work, and of course that's good for them. Good, we don't want it to work. But when I looked at it, there's connections, there's a couple of objections. The chip didn't work, and I think the chip is probably similar to us. He probably may not know that, we must know. Anyway, so a bit of a joke on them. Don't like me, laugh at me. The priestess we can get at me, and it really is awful. It really is. The whole thing is rubbish, everything. So it's worse than it's written place. So they turned away from Jesus, but basically they went money, that's all. And if there's no industry, they won't have any money, will there? There'll be nothing. It'll be the Stone Age, the return of the Stone Age is worse. And they haven't enough. It is awful. I don't know who did it. I think the psychiatry, in terms of psychiatry, he didn't like science, hated Einstein. Well, all that stuff has gone now, and once I die, I won't know, but they destroyed everything. They planned it for years, and some of the things, this technology in the Bible would be Stone Age technology. Wood, brass, lucky that brass, all was out of the Bible since that, but they don't like that sort of stuff, and kill people who do. Probably don't understand it, and they don't have space travel. I see something nasty there. Of course, there are lots of nasty things, and they don't want to know. It's absolutely awful. And it's too late now to do it because it was free special educated people, and they're lying, basically, get up. It's a story. And that's a stupid thing. Whoever did that, it's a Pope, probably. Because his income's affected. He gets hot dinners, it doesn't matter. And the only people who survive, civilization will survive in people like Muslims, and who have their own culture, and preserve these things, and of course the communists, they're all being thrashed up too, and that's what the Christians are doing the damage. And although I don't like all this killing that's going on, it's both sides. In the street today, Christians are killing people. I don't know who they were, they're just killing them because they've got an answer. I say, is Jesus Christ God? You get wrong, the scripture. And is Jesus your personal Saviour? If you get that wrong, he shoots you. So, no bad as well. I'm dying soon. I wouldn't have said wrong with me. And what's it? Death. They what was it? I said, well, joy in death, money in death. No, let's throw bricks at them. And what can I do? They're stealing my money. All they want is money, so that's what it is. And if they want something to buy it, but if somebody make it, won't be anything, will there? Nothing. Anyway, so today, that's what happened. The machine didn't work because one chip, which he truly didn't know what it was, the 11741 was static, but I think that's what's wrong with it. I have to check, but it was right, so I'm taking it out. And the voltages are all wrong, so they shouldn't be. But they sabotage things like scientists. They've probably done something to our batteries to make it go flat. And I think it's funny, don't they? Oh, great joke, let's make his battery go flat. So, very foolish, very foolish. And now soldering the bar. I'm now soldering on bar lines. And they're both yellow, this is trouble. Another colour. So it'll be difficult to remember which around now. So I've just got a power lead of it. I think I've got one. I've got one somewhere over there. So I can't use a Ford to keep buying new parts. So I reuse things. They do get used up. But you get used on one thing, get used on something else. And that enables you to do things which you wouldn't be otherwise be able to do. The other problem is to get up to a wire, you have to order it and you get the plug, which I can't afford. I should go out. And being Sunday, that's dangerous, especially buying things on Sunday. It's Sunday trading. Some people are very violent, it is allowed, but some people are very violent about it. And I gather the lady I met yesterday was Commissioner Grime. And murder. She's just come out of a gas chamber, a war zone, so first we thought it was really normal to get her to murder somebody. But so she's, I gather she's either been or going to be executed. So still execution for murder. And they cut the brain out, they destroy the brain, which you know, in fact, in many cases, the brain recovers after a while, they lose their memories, but it takes a long time. And then they do it by drugs, but it takes 10 years or so. But they're sure it's going to try that babysit the execution, not most people. There's a war going out there. I give out of it. My drug go around shopping. She's a nice girl, and I didn't know she murdered somebody. But apparently she had. And she'd still be sexually attractive. And after her brains are hurt, she won't do anything else. And they can be trained to do things. So dead people. Because that was the idea of the treatment. And it's just to be done to people for the wrong reasons, some stuff heresy too, and blasphemy. And they make excuses, or some of them, well, perhaps because they want your money. I mean, somebody wants your money, they frame you for murder in order to make you an idiot to take the money. But that's not her case. I don't know if she's got any money. Yeah, but it's on the floor. Well, so on the floor. That's a problem. And we've got to get so this will fit. That's the adapter plug will fit. So I'll plug it in the first of that, which is that's positive, is you've got to set it's connected to the collector. So that's positive. Let's turn this on. And see, because I'm using a battery, you don't really need a capacitor, although capacitors sometimes will stop oscillations caused by the impedance of the battery. So see using things we used to apparently used to do this in industry. Used to be places where they recovered things, components, including the solder off, but I don't get them. And it would be done somewhere else. You see, it's all specialised. The factories where they do it all day. But I don't want to such a place. I mean, when I was working at Keith University, I was doing data recovery. But then I was doing other things, so I was interested in it. I could do it all done. I would got more money, but so So I can get it up. But people don't want to do the same things all the time. Variety, that's very important. The egg idea, our own idea, is because you've got it when you die, this is what you do when you die. Which is nonsense. Nonsense. There's no other, no, it does happen. And people will do things, but they don't very well. And you really into for Earth. The solution that goes on the Earth, that goes on the Earth, yeah. The prediction which has to be adjusted to get the and so she's so nice and still she's only 19 and she's done something like that. Stuff with that. Treatment for murder. It's pretty strict. This is the imagine that's where she was right because you may have misinterpreted the policeman's action. She doesn't speak English, you see, so she wouldn't understand. We had most of the work guns. The policemen are very good on the draw. Our guns pointed me by the police all the time. But, it's pretty hairy. I got too ready on through the place. Very rich charge. You sure a policeman? But she told me that that's the end of it. That one goes out to the power provider. So I'm putting now a yellow lead on that. So things crashed again. Not recorded. Well, that was recording on the wrong function. So there's the main the plug for the box. It's wonky. That's push the. I should have put something in it. It's push the inside out. So that push that. There's a. Should be when you do it, you should really plug into stuff. Wonky or be about to eat it. That's got him. So that's the bulb with the 12-volt line. And I'm now going to put a voltage on it to set up the transistor before I get it. Well, it will actually should oscillate, but what will it tell? That oscilloscope. So the next thing's got an oscilloscope on it. Because of the output. Why does that show? Because that's not connected to the. So I say that's the first thing to do. Get the biasing right. So then we we've got some microcapacitors there. Looks quite nice. The watch is in there. So it's on. There's nothing you got. First test. a voltmeter. A voltmeter, no voltmeter there. That's just inductance and resistance, capacitance. No voltage. Excuse where these versus these. That's this one. These are one. Apparently, the girl I met yesterday, she's given herself a name, Edith Zabo, Michael Christian Zabo, which was actually pretty, did that sort of set with me, but not really set with me, but she could live with me. Be my life, but nowadays she shot somebody, but she says they're dark into the monitor. And she's actually from Romania, and but she got out of a gas chamber near Donetsk. So now she's down for execution over here. She's the policeman. She's Austrian. She survived in France for a long time. I'm sure that she had radical justice in the Ukraine as well. So there's more times like that. Hopefully they won't excuse it. She's crying out and begging. If it's done, it's done. But I could look after her. They do. She might keep that up with me because the machine I'm attached to maybe able to do something about it. You can use vitamin B, which exists for recovery, but it's mostly it's death sentence. Death is death, unfortunately. Death is death. Which is nothing like that. She can't speak the language. Which is judges don't get the just question what she's done. The foreign countries frightened. Peaceful other countries do shoot people pretty simply. Try that. Talk about $20. $20. So that's actually one inch we wrote down. So if I put these gold objects. Stuff. I don't know what I did, I can't remember what I did to get into the system. But I mean, I immediately the rest of us saw that. I remember that. No shoplifting like that, but I think, I don't know what it was. Like I was sure. But probably wasn't true. I don't remember. Somebody else wrote terrible. The rest of things. She's a soft reply. See if it is something. See if I can get it right there. I need a screwdriver. See. Need it, which is natural. Yeah. What can they do when they do that? Got to get the shoulder under it so I can see it. That's everything. Once I get something, I'm going to buy it, steal it. So it's a Saxon expression. It's gotten and stolen. It's actually working, but we get the, which fortunately I can't use it. I'm dribbling again. I enjoy work. I enjoy it. That could go somewhere else. Circuit. It's actually going to be about, let's see, what is it? It's 2.4, so it's a 1 point, it's 0.6, that's on 1.2. That's 4, well. It's actually 2.6, is it 1.6? It's 0.6, 1.2. And that's 1.2. There it is, 1.2. You get that precise to 1.2. Let's see. 1.2. Right, that should, well, now it's the power apply, it should say. Now I'm going to see if the thing oscillates. So let's take the power up. So it's 50 hertz, so I should see it on this. 50 hertz is all over the room, but this is an independent oscillator. So I did do that. I've got to connect the power supply to this pin 7 is the pin 4. I've got 2. Is that the right place? Let's see. Maybe in the wrong place. That was no second hand. Double trip. It might be that. Suppose that goes to the. I think I made a mistake. It's important to find mistakes before you start testing. Since I was a circuit diagram. Let's see. Goes to the. Through that by the input. Yes. Go to the positive line. That's That's not pin one, this is not good. Feedback, what's that? Still got some feedback. 20k, 30k. And 30k to there. Goes to ground. Also goes to ground. That's the oscillator. That's L. That goes there. Cut and push from ground. Just so it's P6, P6 goes to that's cool. I think I've got everything on. Except that's the one that lifts down. That one there. That's got to go out. It's got to go out. That's catched off that null. So it should go to the reversing output. Pin 2. That's actually null one. And there it goes. Okay. Let's see. Feedback there. It goes there. Not inverting, inverting. Class sound, yeah. It's real. Class circuit room. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So I make mistakes. That goes to the 6 and 6. So that's subtracting that one. And this one's 10. That goes to 6. And then that goes to 2. I've got the circuit now. And 6. And 6. There's that. 6 actually. This one 10k goes to that goes to ground. So that 10k, that 10k. this here. That's all that goes to ground. That's right. This is all wrong. This is all. Excuse me. I mean, that's always drive me. Probably dinner. What's actually down there? Six. No, hasn't really actually. It goes 26. That's right. That's 26. That's actually there. That's 26. That goes to that one. 10k. Through resistor. That's the resistor. And ground should be actually there. It's actually, that one goes to 3. There's no ground. I get confused systems. That's 3. That's 3. Let's see. Inversion output. Goes there. Wrong press. There's a resistor across it. We can have done this one. It goes here. Goes there. That goes. So together. So from there. Down to there. Should see. It's been 2. Should see. Inversion input. That's right. So the other side of that. There's the earth. That's the earth. No. That's wrong. That's and that's wrong. That should go into the into that one. Which is that's pretty much should go into which is that one. Working. So that's everything there. Coming out. There's something. And it's coming. Into it is on into. Somebody else is on. That's something cool. That one's wrong, that one's wrong, and that one's wrong. So it's not very good as I've got two wrong connections. Let's see, those two have got to come out, and that one's got to come out. So both of those wrong. Which are wrong here. 1, 2. That's on pin 2, so that's right. And that's on pin 3, that's right. It's that one, that's wrong. And that's the that's the between those where that needs to come out. That's that one. That's tricky. Very confusing. That's the 6. That's right. That goes to there. That goes to there. That goes pin 2, and this one. That's wrong too. That's actually pin 2. That's right, pin 2 is correct. I do to see where it is because of parallax. Yeah, well, I do put the wire, so it's right inside there. Can't see what it is then. Can't see where it is. Yes, yes. That's around. It's 1, 2 is in. That one then. Yes, there's. I guess I'm pretty much wrong. It's from 1. And 2, it's from 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4. And 5, and 3. It's pin 1. That's in pin 2. That's in pin 2. It's this one. And that goes to glass. Power electrons are open. So that's pin 1, so that should come down. And that's pin 1. So that resistor is in the wrong place. So I'll set it now. So it's very difficult to see. So it comes in. That one goes down to there. Faster. Always check a circuit before you switch on. It goes onto that resistor. It's a two-sided wall, right? Isn't it? So that's right. Some pin 2. It's pin 1 that's wrong. So pin and pin. So which is pin 1 and which? Yeah. That's pin 1. That's pin 1. So pin 1 is wrong connection. That's pin 2. Pin 1 is wrong connection. That is no pin. Time. There's no pin there. So that's pin 1 right there. That's this one as well. That's pin 2. Pin 2 is the solders out.